Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion reaction itong post ni Dr. Rob Rances. Isa sa mga magagaling na DDS vloggers, at the same time brain specialist. Isa siya sa mga inireklamo ni Senator Risa Hontiveros doon sa NBI tungkol sa pagkalat ng video ni alias Karine. So ito, open letter ni Doc Rob Rances sa mga senador. Dear Senators of the 20th Congress, as you begin this new legislative chapter, we ask you to begin with one thing that defines all great institutions: integrity. Because if you don't investigate yourselves, who will? In recent months, the moral credibility of your Senate hearings has come under fire. At the center of it is a young man named Michael, or alias Rene. Once presented in your halls as a credible, detailed witness, he has now recanted on video, claiming coercion, bribery, and manipulation. Okay, so malaking issue ito. Pinag-uusapan ngayon. Ano ba? Totoo ba ang aligasyon ni Karine o hindi? So ito ang punto ni Doc Rob Rances, dapat imbestigahan ng Senado. Kasi ang integrity ng Senado ang nakataya. What he revealed is true, if true, shakes the foundation of democratic oversight. But if it is false, then one of your own is being unfairly accused and deserves the full clearing of her name under Senate scrutiny. So, ganun lang yun. Dahil hindi natin alam sino sa kanilang nagsasabi ng totoo. Nagsalita si Karine, sumagot ang senadora, sinungaling yan. So, sino ang nagsasabi ng totoo? Kaya, kailangan maimbestigahan. Yun ang punto de vista ni Doc Rob Rances. That's why an ethics investigation is not an attack. It is a safeguard. It is not a witch hunt. It is how truth and public trust are protected in a real democracy. This isn't about who you support politically. It's about how the Senate conducts itself and whether future witnesses will come forward with confidence or fear. We asked, ito yung mga detalyado which I agree. Who prepared or shaped Michael's testimony? Kasi sinasabi ni Michael o alias Karine, diniktahan lang siya. So kung totoo, sino ang tumulong paggawa ng kanyang testimony? Were political names suggested? Were staff or consultants involved in the expansion of his statements? Yan, may mga binabanggit ni Karine na mga pangalan. Was he psychologically evaluated or protected during his highly public process? If the Senate truly believes in its role as a neutral arbiter, then this is your moment to prove it. An ethics proof can also be a path to vindication. Yon. Para maklear na once and for all ang pangalan ni Senator Hontiveros, dahil kawawa naman siya na nalalagay sa alanganin yung kanyang credibility dahil lang sa isang Karine na bigla-bigla nagbago ang kanyang testimony. If Michael's recantation was a lie, then let this investigation be the venue to defend the senator who now stands accused in the court of public opinion. Let it be the process where reputations are not just questioned but clarified. Kung ako, ilagay ko ang sarili ko. Ako yung senador. At sure ako na nagsisinungaling lang si Karine. Sure ako na yung una niyang testimony ay hindi pinilit. Ako ang mag-initiate, ako ang mag-tawag na imbestigahan. Di ba? Para maklear ang pangalan ko. Kasi sigurado ako na nasa panig ako ng katotohanan. So, di ba, ganon din ang dapat gawin ni Senator Hontiveros. Kasi sabi niya, sinungaling si Karen eh. So, sana may masimulan investigasyon sa Senado para ma-clear na ito once and for all. Kasi nakataya nga naman ang credibility ng Senado. Okay. Tuloy natin. Let it be the process where reputations are not just questioned but clarified. This is not about punishing someone. It's about protecting everyone. The public, the institution, and yes, even the senator involved. If she was right, let it be known under oath. If something went wrong, let it be addressed in the light of the day. Agree ba kayo sa punto di vista ni Doc Rob Rances? Ito, what happens if you stay silent? Kanang wala lang ba? Kalimutan na lang. Wala lang mag-initiate ng investigation. But sana, I believe, kung mag-file ng kaso, I think, nabasa ko si Mr. Jason Sa, nabanggit niya na may plano sila na mag-file ng complaint sa Ethics Committee tungkol itong nangyari kay Karen and Senator Hontiveros. Kung may complaint, yun na. Magsimula na ang investigation. If they stay silent, then the message become clear that when the Senate accuses, it is gospel. But when a witness recants, it is ignored. The truth is only pursued when politically convenient. That ethics only matter outside the Senate floor. And when that happens, the people begin to wonder if even the Senate cannot investigate itself, who still deserves the trust of the nation. So, hintayin na lang natin po na magsimula ang 28th Congress, July 28. At sana matuldukan na ang issue na ito na para maklear na ang nadadawit na mga pangalan.